Hey, what up guys? Ben Oberg here. Want to give you some tips on starting your own digital profit agency, owning your own digital profit agency. As you can see before we get started, my nose is a little bit red here. We're just on a 4-week motorcycle trip, 4,600 miles in 4 weeks, 9 states, went through sandstorms, hail, wind, all that good stuff. So a little sunburn. That's not what I'm here to talk to you about. What I want to talk to you about today is the best tips and tricks to starting your own digital profit agency in 2020. So what the heck is a digital profit agency? It's basically a digital marketing agency. It's sort of like social media marketing or a social media marketing agency, except you're focused on creating profits for clients. Rather than focusing on social growth and social media and algorithms, you're strictly focused on getting them digital profits and getting customers either into their brick and mortar location or visitors on their website, buying their products, buying their services. So let's jump straight into it. Hey guys, Ben Oberg here, back again with another video. How to start your own 6-figure digital profit agency in record time. What's required, what a digital profit agency even is. So let's break it all down in this video. And if you stick around to the end, you're gonna know exactly the steps that you need to implement, what you need to do, and how to get your digital profit agency started off right. So with a digital profit agency, you're only gonna focus on really 3 things, okay? You're gonna focus on sales funnels, Facebook advertising, and email marketing. You're not gonna get like 10 different parameters in. You're not gonna be advertising on all these different platforms. Here's all you do, okay? You're going to help clients, which are gonna be existing business owners, and you're gonna help them by getting more leads and sales profitably through digital advertising, okay? So you're gonna provide an essential service of helping businesses get customers online, in other words, digitally, profitably via digital marketing, okay? What you're gonna help them do is create Facebook advertisements that direct them into sales funnels. So 1, Facebook advertisements, 2, sales funnels, and you're going to use the sales funnel to do the selling, and email marketing and ad retargeting, okay? So it's very simple. Facebook ads, sales funnels, email marketing, okay? And that creates a 3-part trifecta to help your clients create digital profits. That's all it is. Now you're going to help clients that are brick and mortar businesses by getting them more sales to their store online, to their physical store. You're gonna help service-based businesses. You're gonna help product-based businesses. You're gonna help service providers. You're gonna help coaches. You can help mentors. You can help massage therapists. You can help chiropractors. So you're gonna service software-based businesses, digital product businesses, service-based businesses, product-based businesses. You can do e-commerce businesses, and you can do brick and mortar businesses. And all you're gonna do is identify what their products and services are, what their target market is. You're gonna create a sales funnel that puts that offer out there. You're gonna put ads in front of it that incentivize people to go through those ads into the sales funnel, and they're either gonna buy or they don't. And when they do buy, great. They can continue on in the process, look at their other products and services, etc. When they don't buy, you're gonna have ad retargeting through Facebook. You're gonna have email retargeting. Now, again, in a little bit here, if I'm already getting ahead, getting you guys confused on how to start a digital profit agency, and if you're sitting here going, well, Ben, I haven't run Facebook ads before, I don't know how to create a sales funnel, I don't know anything about email marketing or how to profitably do it, I'm going to teach you all that in just a little bit here and give you every resource that you need, so don't go anywhere, okay? So the type of clients to work best with are clients that want more leads and sales, which is pretty much anybody in business. I think we can all agree that they need more leads and sales, okay? Now, you only want to work with already existing established businesses because there's no point in trying to get clients that don't actually have money to pay you, okay? So you want to go after businesses that, again, these are businesses that want to acquire more leads and sales profitably, and they want to do so through digital advertising, all right? And the reason this is such a big opportunity right now is because with Corona causing a borderline recession, with the protests, the rioting going on, people being afraid to go outside, businesses not able to conduct business regularly, and the virus still having hot spots and spurring up. Look, it's not going away, it's a virus, okay? So there's less risk for businesses to do business online. So if you can be the one to help them get more leads and sales profitably online, you have a service that you can offer and be highly paid for, okay? So the way that you're gonna get paid is you're gonna go out and you're gonna find clients that are existing businesses and business owners that either have a digital product they want to sell, a physical product, they're a brick and mortar business, they're a service-based business, or they're a software-based business. Those are the 5 types of digital profit agency clients, okay? And you're gonna go after them. You're going to present to them how you can help them acquire more clients profitably via digital marketing with your digital profit agency. So what you're then going to do is you're going to set up a sales funnel for them. You're going to set up ads for them. You're going to use those ads to drive traffic into the sales funnel, and then you're going to get sales. You're going to use ad retargeting and email retargeting to incentivize people that see the offer but don't buy to then become buyers, okay? And that's what a digital profit agency does. How you get paid, smash the like button if you love this so far, right? How you get paid is you charge upfront for creating the sales funnel and that whole system, creating infrastructure, okay? And then you charge a recurring retainer for monitoring the ads, managing the ads, doing the email marketing, etc. Okay, and you're never going to charge less than $5,000 up front and $2,000 per month. So look at the math of what just 3 clients can do for you, okay? 3 clients, $5,000 up front times 3, that's $15,000. $2,000 a month for each one of those clients, that's $6,000 a month. Times 12 months, that's $72,000 plus 15K, that's $87,000. Did I do that right? 6 times 12, yeah. $87,000 in 1 year from 3 clients, okay? And when you do really good for those clients, you can upsell them again. You can continue doing more work, and off of 3 clients, you can make a 6-figure business. Now, don't stop there. You know, little peek inside our digital profit agency is we're charging usually $12,000 to $35,000 up front and $2,000 to $5,000 a month. So every month we're closing a couple $100,000 in new clients, and we're racking up that recurring income. Currently, I think we have somewhere around $36,000 in recurring income, and we contract a couple $100,000 a month in new clients. So, you know, for us, this is, you know, presently a multi-million-dollar business for us, and it can be for you too. And this is the type of business that it creates sustainability for you because you're offering a service that's ongoing, so you have recurring income, and it's very time efficient. I've been on a motorcycle trip for 26 days and we just got back, all right? And I worked literally, on average, I'd say 2 hours a day, 5 days a week. And I was able to do this, and my cash flow increased. So if you want to start your own digital profit agency, all right? You want to have the best, lowest risk, best service to offer, best type of business to start in 2020, click the link in the description below. I'm actually inviting you to the training that I'm hosting, which is going to teach you the 4-step process, all the steps to starting your own digital profit agency. Now, this training, it's like 2.5 hours, okay? It is 2.5 hours, and I guarantee you, you do not want to miss it, okay? You're going to be on there with myself, my director of marketing. We're breaking down everything. You're going to want to take notes. We're handing out multiple bonuses for you to just print out and have for yourself. And it's going to give you the exact step-by-step process. Obviously, I can't be here on YouTube teaching you guys in a 2.5-hour video. So that's what I put this training together for. The link is in the description below. Just click it. You'll be able to pick a couple slots and be able to register. You'll get reminders. You can link it to your Google Calendar. The point is, show up with a pen, show up with a piece of paper, and if you can't commit to a 2.5-hour training, you're sure as heck not going to create a $100,000 per year business or a 6-figure digital profit agency. So start with the DPA training. The link is in the description. I'm going to be on there with you, and my business partner is going to be on there with you. We're both going to be teaching you. We've had thousands of people attend this training, and thousands of students create massive results. So I want to teach you how to do this because, look, you're not in competition with me. There's 8 billion people in the world, and I want to get this out there. I want to teach you what you're not being taught in school, what your parents don't know, what your marketing professor doesn't know, and this is going to help you get out there and create some wins. All right, so links in the description. Look forward to seeing you on the training. If you guys loved the video, make sure to smash that like button. And I want to know from you guys, have you actually thought before this video about starting a digital profit agency? Let me know in the comments below. I reply to every single one of my comments. Click the link in the description, and I will see you on the training.